Alright, welcome to another episode of Raw Drone Runs. As you see here, we are heading into the cemetery, and this is actually where Evel Knievel was buried. So here are the guys driving in, and we just did a little bit there at the cemetery where they talked about Evel Knievel being, of course, a hero to everyone who does automotive or motorcycle related things. And we were there in Butte, Montana, actually, so that was kind of cool. And then basically after I got that shot, I had to dodge out of the way because then they were recording audio, so I just flew back over to the van, landed there, and then I had to come over and do a tail slate. Now here we are out at the Airstrip, the first place we went to really put some speed on these supercars. And I'm just flying around. You actually see on the right side of the screen there is the Inspire 2. I got it parked up in the sky. There we go again. Parking the Inspire to get the shot while I go get an FPV shot also. So this is the FPV camera that's running. Now once I got that thing in place, I go take the FPV out. This is the Bang God because I need to go fast. And I'm out circling over this property. This guy ended up coming over and saying hello. The guy who owns this property, he was cool. But yeah, I'm circling around, and then now it's time. They say go, and I'm trying to time this shot. Here go the guys, and boom. So that's what I was trying to get. Now here we are doing beauties on the Bugatti, and I've talked about this before in these episodes. Basically, I like these reverse reveals. So what you do is you line up the shot forward, get a really nice like 3/4 view of it, and then you reverse that shot. So that ended up in the episode just pretty much just like that. And here's another one. I'm just showing you the reverse. They actually didn't use this shot. That was a tricky fly through, that car. They did use a lot of this. They used that in reverse. I think I show it to you in reverse here. Yeah, so they used it like that, which was pretty cool. They actually ramped it a little faster than that. And they used this one forward, actually. I was kind of hoping they would use it in reverse like that. I just like the reverse reveal personally. But at least they did use the forward version of it going through the Aventador. So that was pretty cool. Now this is a travel sequence, and basically what we do is we go out on the road and just wait. So I had to kind of eyeball it. Now here come the guys. I could see the cars coming. That's where we are. That's me and another camera guy, and then some spectators who gathered around. And then I'm just basically trying to, there we go. I'm trying to just get a good shot of these guys without bonking into this, what is it, $2.5 million, $3 million car? So yeah, that shot ended up getting used, and then a nice up and away. They like that, you know, if you can get a really nice kind of hold and pull up to the sky, something like that. This shot got used too. I was really excited to see in the episode. Now this next shot, you'll see the Inspire on the left just zipping by there. And then there's the Lamborghini. You can see how fast he's going. I'm probably going 60 or 70. And then here's the type of shot that the Inspire was getting there. This is actually the Bugatti, but you kind of see what I'm getting at. And then watch how fast this Bugatti comes ripping by here. And again, I'm going at least 70 miles an hour. And look how fast he goes. So I'm going the other way. Look, I turn around, he's gone. You can't even see him in the frame. He's going 200 miles per hour there. And then this is one more cool shot of the Bugatti backing up there. I really like that shot with the horses. I flew that forward and then flew up to the horses. I'll show you how I did it here. Yeah, you just line up a nice front shot, hold it for a minute, and then fly away in some kind of interesting way, and then reverse it. Works out pretty well. So I hope you enjoyed that, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.